Welcome to the Hard Reset Pro channel. Today I will show you how to use screen recording on the ZTE Blade A36. So first of all, scroll down from the top of your screen and then scroll down from the middle, this bar here, and press the record screen button. Here you can see this little menu pop up. Press the middle button to address the sounds. You can turn on and off our system sounds and the mic, and this little button here starts recording. Of course there is this pause button here and the square to end your recording. Let's end our recording and see what's recorded. Go to the photos, to the gallery, and press the video you recorded. There's this pause button here and the square to end your recording. Let's end our recording. There's this pause button here. As you can see, our screen has been recorded. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset Pro channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.